Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in dropshipping with Facebook ads, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by selecting a niche that interests you. Research market trends to ensure there is demand for your niche. Identify reliable suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Set up your online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Customize your store to reflect your brand's identity. Create high-quality product listings with compelling descriptions and images. Link your store to Facebook and set up a business account. Navigate to Facebook Ads Manager to create your first ad campaign. Choose your marketing objective, such as conversions or traffic. Define your target audience based on demographics and interests. Set your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Select ad placements, focusing on Facebook's newsfeed and Instagram. Design engaging ad creatives that are visually appealing. Write persuasive ad copy that highlights the benefits of your products. Use A/B testing to experiment with different ad creatives and copy. Monitor the performance of your ads through analytics in Facebook Ads Manager. Adjust your targeting and budget based on the ad performance. Optimize your store for conversions by improving page load speed and user experience. Engage with customers through comments and messages to foster relationships. Evaluate overall profitability and return on investment after a few weeks. Scale your ad campaigns gradually once you've identified winning strategies. Continuously test new products and marketing approaches to keep your store fresh. Stay updated on industry trends to adapt your strategies accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.